In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find member prices on Expedia. Member prices are special discounts shown to logged-in users through Expedia's One Key program, and getting to them is quick once you know where to look. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Expedia One Key. This brings up the official page that explains the program and connects you to the main booking experience where the discounts appear. When the results load, open the first trusted result or the link that clearly points to Expedia's One Key welcome page. Take a moment to confirm you're on the official Expedia site before moving on. Next, click Sign In. Being signed in is essential. Member prices only show when your account is recognized. After you sign in, you should see your account menu or initials in the header, which confirms you're ready to access member savings. From there, click Go Explore. This takes you into Expedia's main booking area, where you'll start your search. You'll see tabs across the top. Choose what you're looking for. You can browse stays, flights, cars, packages, or things to do. Pick the category that matches your plans so the results are tailored to you. Now add your trip details. Enter the destination or airport, choose your dates, and set the number of travelers. Small changes here can affect price and availability, so select dates and traveler counts that reflect your real plans. When everything looks right, click Search to see your options. On the results page, keep an eye out for a member price tag or icon. These labels indicate listings with member-only savings. You might notice the regular rate alongside the member rate, so you can quickly compare and see what you're saving. If you don't immediately see member price labels, make sure you're still signed in. They won't display for guests. Some listings may show a lock icon or a prompt to sign in if you've been timed out. As you scan the results, remember that member prices can vary by property, date, and demand. The discount applies to the rate shown before taxes and fees, and totals will update as you continue through the booking flow. If your dates are flexible, checking nearby days can uncover additional member savings. And that's it. By starting at Expedia's One Key page, signing in, clicking Go Explore, choosing your travel category, entering your details, and looking for the member price tag, you'll quickly spot the deals reserved for members. Enjoy your search and take advantage of those savings when you see them.